Alright, so this is an ESP32, and whenever we want to do a project based on ESP32 microcontroller, we place the ESP32 inside the breadboard, right? But it is very hard. And even if you place the ESP32 on the breadboard correctly, and right here you get only one column in order to connect any sensors or wires or any components to control it with GPIO pins. And at the other side of the board you will be very surprised to see that there is no space only in order to hook up the other components or external sensors or anything. And this is a very common problem which are faced by electronic guys who want to build projects with ESP32, and specifically when they place the ESP32 on a $1 breadboard like this. And even if the project, when we want to remove the ESP32, it doesn't happen only. So enough of this stuff. And in order to solve this problem, I have made this. So this is a very cheap ESP32 $1 board extender, and it's very easy to make, and you can also make it. So in order to make it, I have taken the 0 PCB, male header pins, female header pins, and soldering gun in order to solder the header pins. So the next time when I want to do a project, I would take up this ESP32 board extender and place the ESP32 easily into it. And I would take some jumper wires, and I would take the breadboard and place the jumper wires from ESP32 to breadboard however I want. And you can make this board extender to many modules as much as you want. And make sure to like the video and comment how did you like this ESP32 board extender. And till then, keep watching and meet you at the next video.